Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Update your iPhone and Apple Watch so Watch OS and iOS match current features. This reduces incompatibilities. Once done, turn on handoff on the iPhone so links can move between devices. Now pick the web link you want, paste it into Messages, Mail, or Notes. That makes the first transfer instant. You're not installing Safari on the watch. You're enabling a pathway that displays web pages on the watch or launches a watch browser app. You'll now add a web viewer to the watch. On your iPhone, get a watch-compatible browser app. Many use a lightweight WebKit engine that displays pages. Next, open the iPhone Watch app, locate the browser under Available Apps, and install it to the watch. Make sure the companion app is allowed to show on the watch face. After installed, use handoff or send the link via Messages. Open the link with the newly installed browser on the watch to load the page. Complete setup by adjusting readability. Set text size and enable reader mode inside the watch browser so pages are usable on the small screen. Make sure the watch is on Wi-Fi or the paired iPhone is nearby. Network availability directly affects load speed. If a page won't load, restart both devices first. Then reinstall the watch browser app if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: verify Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.